Here's a list of non-boring animals I have recently been inspired by as an artist. Not that animals are ever really boring. Well, I'll start with the creature I thought was AI, the marbled polecat. It looks like a whole load of creatures have been just stuck together really badly. And there's very cool in-betweeny looking animals called the banded lingsang and the spotted lingsang. They look like a combination of a wild ferret, a mouse and a cat all mixed together. And the Australian ghost bat, it's completely pale all over. Looks like it might be an albino, but it's not. It's just how it is. And then a creature with probably the coolest name on earth, the psychedelic earth tiger. Now, can you guess what animal that is? Probably wrong. It's a tarantula. I hope you found those non-boring animals as inspiring as I did.